Greetings, the Plug Valcast viewers. My name is Councillor Moti. I'm the councillor responsible for Zone 17, part of Hostel, part of Zone 20, which is Zone 20 Phase 1, and also a portion of Zone 14. We just came out of a meeting that was attended by many stakeholders, which include SAPS itself, Department of Home Affairs, provincial public safety, the district, and many other stakeholders. So I hear as what councillors, as we are directly involved and we are directly affected because of the issues that our communities are raising. They directly affect us as community leaders. So we're here reflecting from the activities of the 30th June, and even other activities that were build up programs towards the 30th, because there was also a march on the 27th of June, and the march again, which we know that it was a national thing, that across the country there were march to march marches. So we just came out of the meeting, we've deliberated on the way forward, and all the stakeholders that were part of the meeting also reflected and committed to work with all the stakeholders that are affected by this thing of the illegal foreigners. Got a presentation from Department of Home Affairs, explaining all the differences of these people, those that are asylum seekers, those that are refugees, and what is it that is expected of them. That others that we see within our communities are not even supposed to be running businesses and all that. But the long and short of it is that all the departments that we're here, there is a commitment from all the departments that we will be working together to ensure that all these illegal immigrants are being deported out of our country. We are also going to ensure that even those that comply to be within the country, but to make sure that they do what they expected to be doing from the country. Because there are those that, yes, they have genuine documents to be here, but they are not supposed to be conducting certain businesses. That those businesses are supposed to be conducted by people that are coming from South Africa. But the word out of the meeting, we are taking the cue from what the president has said, that we are not encouraging anyone as citizens to take the law unto themselves, but the commitment is here. The government is going to play its course in ensuring that all the tuck shops that we have within our areas of residence are areas that are tech shops that are compliant. Even the owners, they are rightfully here in our country. So there is government programs that I cannot disclose here, but that government will be initiating in ensuring that there's law and order. Thank you very much.